Oh, I'm on. One thing that was really cool at Bear Creek Valley is there was a group of guys behind us that was on their 36th year of a golf trip.
So the group is behind me over here. They've been arguing about the rules for about the past 5 minutes. We're gonna go see if we can get clarity on what's going on.
Hey, we're talking about the golden ball as if it's like Wally the Chocolate Factory's golden bar. And no one's gonna care after 2 holes because everyone's gonna lose their golden ball. 50% of the people are gonna put it right on.
Guaranteed. Explain to everyone the golden ball.
Nice putt, Moose.
It's golden.
$20 says Jordan can't explain it right now.
Golden ball, okay? Each team gets 1 ball.
He's hesitating, waiting.
I'm choosing
He's
my words.
trying to remember.
Each ball goes to one team of 4. And the way the golden ball works is one player has to play each hole with the ball. So if I'm up first on my group, I play the golden ball all the way through the first hole. And then it goes to the second person on hole 2, then the third person plays the golden ball, and then the fourth player. And then you just keep rotating until you're done. The goal is to not lose the ball. And if you have the ball at the end of the round, you get extra points.
All right, you heard the man basic scramble format with a little golden ball twist thrown in there. Good opening shot for our team here by Jed. Puts us squarely in the fairway. Second shot leaves us on the back of this green and in a very unforgiving position, I'll say that. So we end up, all 4 of us, just putting on a putrid display of putting here. And I'll let you watch that. The object of this hole was probably to be above the hole. None of us ended up above the hole. We all ended up putting it below the hole, and it just slid straight down towards the lake. Not good, not good at all. And of course, this leaves us with an extremely long par putt, not what you want to see on a scramble, especially. You're looking for birdies or at least pars. End up having to settle for +1 right off the bat. After this tee shot, we were a little nervous because that was the golden ball. So from here on out, we enabled the tap a golden ball rule, which is just where whoever was the golden ball tapped their tee shot. That kind of strategy has its pros and cons because obviously then you're limiting yourself with one of your team members not getting the tee shot. So you only have 3 where other teams may have 4, but you're also banking on the fact that other teams are going to lose their golden ball.
Yeah, nice.
Holy shnikes.
How do you fall into that and hit it that good?
That's how he plays.
So really nice tee shot by Bryce and followed up by a good shot by Jed.
There we go.
I did not hit it left.
It stayed pretty clean. It did. It goes right to left, like I said. That little hump.
Hit it.
So hole 4, I did end up missing the tee shot. We ended up off the back of the green, still putted up here for birdie, and then ended up with another par.
Yep.
And I'm just going to let you guys watch us play golf for a little while here.
That'll work.
Is that good?
Yeah, it's that might not be bad.
Oh, Bryce.
Yeah.
Bryce.
Is that a 3?
Oh.
That's 3, right?
Yep.
So hole number 6, Jed had a good drive. I missed the rest of it. We did end up putting ourselves in for par there. Stayed even. Then hole number 7, Bryce hits this nice shot to the front of the green. Here we're all going for birdie again. Chris at least puts it above the hole, which is what all of us, we should have done. Hole number 8, I did capture this tee shot by Jed. which left us in a bit of a sticky situation. You're going to see that here in a second.
All right. Oh yeah, we got a gap.
247.
A 247-yard cut gap. That's totally doable.
And then after 8, we stayed even, missed hole 9 tee shot. This was one of my favorite shots of the entire trip right here. Managed to take a 6-iron, put it up on the green, and then we get a putt for eagle.
Good putt.
Tap it in.
Bryce allowed us to tap it in for birdie. I did miss number 10's tee shot here, but Jed ended up putting us in a decent position.
Do we want to be left though?
No.
No.
Or
Classic.
that was.
I never saw yours, Jed. I just saw.
Oh, I'm sorry, Jed. or, and then.
That was a powerful 2-letter word.
I mean, I absolutely crushed it too.
Got it. Nice putt, Jed.
There we go.
So Jed sinks that birdie putt, very nice, and then Bryce decides that he's going to get in just a little extra practice.
A little further out.
Way off. Got it.
Phenomenal putt there. And then we have hole number 12, Bryce, once again teeing off for us. Bryce had a lot of great tee shots.
Right here. So the guys with the Chris, you're the man.
Christopher.
Right. Stop turning.
Turning left, isn't it? Drawing.
Oh.
Right now we didn't actually use this shot. I didn't get the one that we did end up using. I just blasted it along anyways. And then totally redeemed myself.
I know.
I don't know how you pulled that out.
It's safe. Back left.
Oh, come on. God.
So good.
So hole 17, I am playing with Jed, and he is just the fastest golfer that I know. And so I didn't end up catching his first swing on here. And I told myself, oh, I'm going to get up there before Jed gets up and hits again. I did not. So I ended up missing his shot that we used again. And then this third one by Bryce we finally did use.
It's probably right here. Awesome.
Talking a little bit about Bear Creek Valley, it was a wonderful place to play. We really enjoyed it being the first course on the trip. The final scores for the day were we ended up in second, Jed, Bryce, Chris, and Clint. Then we had JT, Matt, Moose, and Nick in third. And finally in first we had JP, Greg, Poak, and Paul. I think they ended up shooting a -7, -8 for the day, somewhere in there. We ended up shooting a -6, I believe, with the golden ball. -4 adjusted with the golden ball as a -6. And I believe the other team ended up shooting a -4, and they did not hold on to their golden ball. So that's why they ended up in third place. Now I'm going to go ahead and kick it back over to the guys and talk a little bit about the food for the evening, which was phenomenal.
Hands down, Baxters. Brian treated us.
It was awesome. The different aspects of the appetizers.
We had some scallops, some stuffed poblano peppers, tuna, salmon. I mean, you couldn't go wrong with the meal.
I name it, I liked it.
I don't think anybody needed an entree, but we all had one.
It's on your phone, like push it on your hips, like
This isn't even the highest yet.
When it shakes your ears, that's the best.
When you use it directly on your skull, man.
We look.
See if you want different attachments.
That is what this using a massage gun looks like.